Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today I'm reviewing this Moonlight that you can buy on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. But first, you know what time it is, roll those titles. Right now, this is the box that the Moonlight comes in. It's got two different modes. White mode and warm white mode. But basically, I'll show you that in a minute anyway. This is 5.19 inches, the light itself. And it's very, very light, so it was a problem with the weight. Let's unbox it. See what you get inside the box. Get this stuff. Don't worry, this is chucked away. But there's the Moonlight itself. Then you get the instructions. What, to be honest with you, no one ever reads them anyway. But there you go. Anyway, if you need them, you get a USB cable. And you get 3 pieces of wood that I believe is a stand for the Moonlight. Now the Moonlight does not require batteries. Basically it's got a built-in battery and a built-in light, so you don't have to do anything at all. And then basically when it runs out, you just charge it up by USB. This is the Moonlight itself. It does actually look realistic. It does look really good when it's actually on. This would make a great birthday / Christmas present, like for anybody that likes anything like space and into space things. And the stand, basically, it's just basically 3 pieces of wood. What just basically clip together with magnets. That's just easy, and there's nothing about that anyway. And to turn the Moonlight on, you just tap at the bottom here where the socket is. You tap it again, get the light. See, these can be purchased on Amazon, and they are, at the moment, these are £13 89 at the moment. There's the Moonlight itself. As you can see, it does actually look really smart. I mean, I reckon they are worth the money, because if you're into that kind of thing, they do actually look quite smart. And some say you can change it to just normal white by tapping the bottom. Yeah. So if you want to buy these, just click on the link in the description below. I'd like to thank every single person that watches my videos. I mean, really appreciate the support over the years. I've been doing a lot of reviews over the years. But as you can see, I don't actually get many things anymore. So if anybody would like to send me anything, I'll put my email in the description below as well. So if you want to send me something, just message me and just ask for my address or whatever. And if you want me to try to review something, like what you actually want, I'll try it and all. Yeah, thanks for watching it, everybody. Thanks for all my support and all the subscribers. I'll leave you with this video of this Moonlight.